Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a 2024 Elantra. I'm going to be using a flat tip screwdriver about this size is best. And also you're going to need a replacement battery. This takes one of the 2450s. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So on this half right here, there's a little indentation. You're going to want to take your screwdriver, place it in here, and give it a pry. And I like to stick my thumb in here and kind of work my way around. The first time you do this, it might be a little difficult to get the back case to pop off. This is also difficult to get the battery over this little rubber lip here. So you just want to be firm. And then I'm going to try and get that over that lip right there. Your old battery comes out, the new battery goes in positive side facing upward. Give that a squeeze. Put these two halves back together and then you can check, see if it's working. Got your green light there. Okay, hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.